Okay, so look. I got the intake in. I changed my charge pipe. You feel me? I put a down pipe on it. You feel me? Now it's time for the tune. Yeah, you now rocking with Rips Whips. First, I'ma go. See, I'ma get the. Okay, I'm gonna get the BM3 at some point. At some point, I'ma get it. I'ma get it. But I'ma start out with that JB4, man. I'm gonna see what it do. You feel me? Pushing out power. They say that thing is juiced up. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Let's do it. You know? Come on, let's go. JB4.
Make the money that's what we gon' do today. Yeah, that's right. But I have come so many miles.
So right now I gotta open the JB4 and add the connection to it for the Wi-Fi for the phone. So I got these Allen keys. I'm finna loosen this up and open it up. Alright, this is the inside. So now I gotta go. This is the port for the connector. So I gotta take that out of there and connect that to that. And I'll do that. Alright, so there we go. Got it all rigged up. And slap that thing in there.
Waiting on anything. Waiting on another. Waiting on my turn. I'ma take yours. If you're in the way, ain't nothing scarier. Didn't in the spirit of the Jordan never bull. I'ma eat till I get full. Then I'm on every single one of y'all. You gon' need help. Better seek you a synagogue. Well, I'm on your head. You don't think I'm a demigod. Run up on me, boy. We gon' see how.
Alright, so down in here, there's a little hole. Let's see if I can get it. You see that where that wire sticking out of? That wire sticking out of right there. Alright. And then there's this little grommet thing. This thing covering it. So you need to cut a hole through it so you can run the wire that hooks to your ODB port to it. And then you gotta run that through. I guess if you have automatic, you would run it through where the clutch would come through. It's a little hole right there where the clutch pedal would come through and it lines up. And then your ODB port is right there. So you're gonna hook that right there. After you run it, put the little grommet on there. And then I can put it back in the hole in there and then seal it up with you know, some silicone or something so water don't get on the inside. Yeah, so got it up here. I fished the wires up under here. I had to take all this over here. MAV sensor up there, which I'll show you in a minute. And then I'm gonna take the JB Plus off and connect the JB4.
Through the pain, you know what I'm saying? And that wind see through the pain, you know what I'm saying? That money see through the pain, you know what I'm saying?
Got the JB4 right there, got everything hooked up. I'm gonna button all this stuff back up and jump out on the road. There we go.
One thing I know, love is real, no matter where it comes from, right? Okay. Another thing I know is that hate is love.
Alright, no lights. We're gonna see what's going on then. Yeah, got that JB4, boy. Yeah.
Before put that pressure on your boy. Hey man, it pushing power now, bro. It feels way different, man. You know, it feels way different, man. I'm like, we running now. We running now. Yeah. You can see it. You can feel it. What they call it, the butt dyno. Yeah, it let you know. It let you know it's real power. You know what I'm saying? Coming from them 4 cylinders in the turbo, boy. Yeah, don't play with me, bro. I burn your ass up. Whoo! Calling out all charges, scats, hats. Nah, let me stop playing. I might run on y'all there. I might get y'all the run though. Hey.